Good morning, kids. Today we have seen the insert menu, that how to insert a table and how to insert shape in our presentation. Now again, those who have not attended today's lecture, for those I am going to take out this recording and I will post this video on our group so you can see and you can practice. But one thing that I want to tell you, that if you don't have laptop or computer at your home, then don't irritate your parent. If you have laptop or computer at home, then practice it. Otherwise, when school will restart, that time we are going to take all these points again. So now if you don't have computer, then only you observe the lesson and you keep it in your mind. Again we are going to take when our school will restart. But don't irritate your parent that I want computer, I want laptop, etc. Okay, if you have it, then you can practice. Now let us see. In last Friday we have seen that how to take slides, how to format it, and even I told you that you have to prepare one presentation on my family. Today also we are going to take one small topic, that is my school. You know how to start your PPT or how to start our PowerPoint. You have to click on start button and you have to click on Microsoft PowerPoint, whichever version you have. Okay, this slide I got it. Here I will type presentation on my school. And here presented by your name, Anil, Sunil, Kumar, whatever you have, that name you have to write. Okay, this is our first slide. Then new slide, how to take new slide. Here sorry, here new slide, and here you have to take the different slide. Now I will take the blank one because I want to insert picture. Now I want to insert my school picture. First upon I will give heading. So I will click on insert menu and here word art, and here I will type building. Again click on insert menu, clip art. You will get such type of dialog box. Here you have to click on organize clip, then office collection. Here buildings, this is my school building. Click on that picture, click on that arrow, click on copy option, and then click on slide or right click on the slide and paste. You will get that picture in your slide. Then resize it by using these handles. This is my school building. Okay, then again go to the home, new slide, and here second slide I will take. Here I will type features of my school. Then whatever features are there, you have to type. Big playground, 4-floor building, computer lab, science lab, sufficient and well experienced teachers. Whatever features are there, that you have to type. Okay, then one more slide I want. Again I will go to the new slide and I will take the one blank slide. Okay, because I want to insert a table. Now you have to click on insert and you have to click on table. How many rows and columns you want, click on that rows and columns. There, see here you will get one table. If you want to change the color of this, then here different types of colors are there. You can choose any one of this. Okay, then again you can shift it anywhere. Click on that table and you can move it, you can shift it anywhere. Then here write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, now here you have to create an imaginary timetable, that maths, English, SST, anything you can type. Now suppose I want to change the color of my font, then I will select the font, I will select the text and again I will go to the home and here from here I will change the font color. And if I want to change the size, then I will click on this big A, bold if I want to give, then if that effect also I will give. Okay, now see, I don't want these extra columns, then click on that column, right click it and here one option is there, delete column. Click on that delete column, that column will be deleted. Again I don't want this column also, then delete column, that column will be deleted. Again the same thing with the rows also. I don't want these extra rows, then I will put my cursor in that row and I will right click on that row and again I will select, I will click on delete row. Here also right click and delete row. So extra columns and extra rows we can delete it. Okay, this is about table. Now suppose I want to insert one shape, then again we have to click on insert menu and we have to take the shapes. We have to click on shapes option. Here different types of shapes are here, whichever you want you can take. Suppose I want this one, I will click here and I will drag over here. Okay, now you can resize it with the help of these handles, you can resize it. Now I want to change the color, then when you double click on that shape you will get this type of dialog box, this type of ribbon, and here whichever shape, whichever color, whichever shade you want, that shade you can take it. Okay, suppose I will take this one. Now I want to change the outline border, outline color, then here shape outline is there, whichever outline border you want to give, border color you want to change, you can change it. If you want to change the border thickness, then you can change the border's thickness also. If you want to change the color of it, then here shape fill, click on that shape fill, you can go to the gradient and here whichever shade you want you can take it. Okay, and see here one yellow color dot is there, with the help of that you can change the shape of that shape. Okay, if you want to change it, I don't want this one, then see, however you want in that shape you can convert your basic shape. If you don't want, then click on that shape and you should press the delete button, that shape will be deleted. Okay, like this you have to prepare one PPT that is named as my school, and in that you have to prepare 4-5 slides. You have to insert one table and you have to write in that table your class timetable. Okay, and also you have to insert one shape, and in whatever we have seen in the last lecture, that how to change the background color, how to change the font color, font size, that all effect you have to give to your slides. Okay, do this much, then next Friday we will see another options. Okay, thank you.